I'm Eric Poole, and this is David Fabian. We're with Guns and Ammo Magazine.
Now, Eric, what are the most popular firearms sold today?
That's got to be the Springfield Armory Hellcat, and of course, a lot of people are going to argue the GLOCK 43X and the 48, the MOS.
I think you're right. Now, one thing that Eric's always told me is a must on a handgun is a what, Eric?
It's a light. I don't leave home without it. I mean, for me, it's like driving a car without headlights. It works great. You can get by with it in the daytime, but in low light and nighttime conditions, it's kind of dangerous.
Streamlight's TLR-6 is a light laser combo available for the GLOCK 43X MOS and the GLOCK 48, as well as the Springfield Armory Hellcat. It mounts simply to the rail, and it gives you a light laser aiming point. It's a fantastic unit.
That's right. The Streamlight TLR-6 not only features a light, but it also features a red laser. Both can be activated independently or together. To activate, simply press a either right or left hand intuitive button, and that will turn it on or off, or you can hold it for momentary activation. You can cycle through the red laser only option, you can cycle through both red laser and light on, or you can cycle through just the light on.
Now this product here has a 1 hour runtime, and it's 100 lumen light, in addition to the aiming laser.
Now that means it's going to be 2,000 candela, and it gets all that power from two Cr13n batteries. Now the batteries, that's actually my favorite part, because there's a trap door underneath the TLR-6, and you easily unsnap it, and you gain access to those two batteries. Now, did you see me take the TLR-6 off the gun? That's the best part. That means with the laser, I've not lost my zero. Describe to me the hassles of going out there and having to change batteries, then you got to re-zero all over again.
And you have to burn ammunition. Ammunition is really, really tough to come by, as we know.
Of course, the laser is easily dialable. They provide a hex wrench included with it. And it's the TLR-6 is simply activated with a push button. And that push button appears on both sides. So it's great for either right or left-handed, thumb activation, index finger activation, constant on or momentary.
Eric, I gotta say my favorite feature. That is the fact that it's an MSRP of $131.30. Hard to beat for that price.
It is.